Hey, Realty fam. I was minding my creative business, my good business. It's my good business, literally. Just checking some comments under one of my previous videos, and I see this message about a crypto wallet and a seed phrase. I don't know much about cryptocurrency, to be honest with you, but something felt very off. So being the person I am, I decided that I wanted to look a little bit deeper. And I realized this could have been a major scam. Here's the thing. If you're new to crypto or you're anything like me and you just don't deal with cryptocurrency at all, this might just look like spam, but it actually goes deeper than that. So I'll do my research. This is the part that made me raise my eyebrow. They mentioned something called a seed phrase, and basically that's a secret 12-word code that unlocks a crypto wallet. So if you have someone's seed phrase, you can take everything in that wallet. It's like sharing your full bank login password and all of that in a YouTube comment, and nobody does that unless they're trying to bait you, or unless they're like super rich and they're just like, hey, take it. But in this world, so let me break down my findings. Here are the red flags. Red flag number 1. It absolutely had nothing to do with my video. The video I posted is titled Canva for Beginners, Create a Custom Business Card. I mean, do you see where I'm going with that? I don't recall seeing anything within my research that even ties these things in or even puts them within the same vicinity. So yeah, that is always sus. Red flag number 2, they posted a full seed phrase, which no real user would ever do. Let's break it down a little bit further. So from my research, seed phrase is 12 words. It's a secret recovery phrase used to access a crypto wallet. And whoever has this phrase has full control over the wallet and all the funds that's within it. For example, air, carpet, target, dish, off, jeans, toilet, sweet, piano, spoil, fruit, essay is a typical 12-word seed phrase. Whoever has this phrase has full control over all of his funds. Red flag number 3, they mentioned a real wallet, OKX, and a real coin, USDT, to make it seem like it's legit. An OKX wallet is a crypto wallet, part of the OKX exchange, can hold various cryptocurrencies like USDT, Tether, which is a stable coin. USDT, a cryptocurrency pegged to the US dollar, used for trading, storing value, and transfer money in the crypto ecosystems. This is either a trap to get creators to engage with the wallet or bait to start a fake conversation about crypto and eventually hit you with a phishing link. Here's how you're going to protect yourself. If you ever see comments like this under your content or anybody else's content at that, here's what to do. 1, delete it or report it as spam. And never, ever, ever import someone else's seed phrase, even if it looks like free money. I mean, times are hard, but come on. It's usually malware or a setup. And most importantly, don't engage or click anything sketchy. These scammers are getting real slick, but so are we. We're gonna step it up. To be honest with you, my first initial reaction was delete and ignore, because like I said, it did look fishy, but I didn't think much of it. Hence why from that second post I posted a shorts, which again was unrelated to crypto, and I received another one of these. I thought to myself, you know what, go on and make a video about this. Do a little research so you can educate the people, because as I said, I don't really know much about crypto myself, but I know this wasn't it. And on top of it, I figured if there is somebody out there, and my video does go far because our videos have the potential to go viral. So imagine your video going viral and these comments are underneath your comment section, and there are a lot of us out here that are professional comment readers. So the professional comment readers are reading, and one of them happened to be into crypto. And even though they might know better or they might not, let's just say they're baby crypto. I don't even know what to call them, but they're just starting out. And they know what a seed is, but they were just thinking like, hey, opportunity. And they decided to copy and paste. I don't want to have that. Although like technically like it's not on me, but in a sense I feel like it is on me because it is under my comment section. You know what I mean? And though people should kind of know I feel like people should kind of know like when to look away, you know what I mean, and when to engage. But the fact that there's so many people getting scammed out here, I was like, nah, let me make this video because I don't want somebody to see it under my comment section and be like, hey, free money, jackpot, ching, like, you know what I mean? So I'm like, let me make a video right away, expeditiously, and let people know.
Welcome back to Royalty Fam News. We have breaking developments.
This is not the way to go, and this is not a jackpot. This is a pothole, and you're gonna fall so far below if you do this that it's gonna be hard for you to come back from, and nobody wants that. One of the other things you can also do, I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I am gonna try it on my platform, and that is to go into your settings. So here's a step-by-step way on how to block words on YouTube, and this is via your desktop. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the YouTube studio. Once you get there, you're going to click on settings. On the bottom left menu, select community. From the left sidebar, under the automated filters tab, scroll to blocked words. Enter the words or phrase you want to block separated by commas. For example, for this particular one, I would use words like seed phrase, USDT, OKX, Binance, crypto, wallet, air, carpet, target, dish, scam, Coinbase, private key, investment opportunity, giveaway, and send crypto. Once you do that, check block links if you haven't already, and this will help prevent spam with malicious URLs. And then just click save. And if you're using the YouTube Studio app, you're going to have to switch it to the desktop mode because these settings aren't available within the app. Comments with these exact words or phrase will be held for review or automatically hidden. You could always check your held for review tab under your comments in the YouTube Studio to catch false positives. Creators, artists, small business owners, we're just trying to build, create, and connect. So we gotta look out for each other. I know this content is different from my usual, but I had to share it because it could really mess up someone's account and life if they're not careful. If this helped you or opened your eyes to how slick these scammers can be, give it a like and share it with someone in your community. And if you want more tips on building your creative business without getting scammed or overwhelmed, go watch my video. This is your year. Take your shot. It's all about taking bold action and staying smart. I'll catch you later, Novelty Fam.